Hello guys, welcome to Libra Philippines. So reading natin to for Libra summarizing Venus and Jupiter Libra. Take only what resonates. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook guys. Ayan, so start na natin ang reading. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba. Kahit po heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Wait lang guys. Okay guys, sorry. I'm back. Ayan. Kumala ako ng tubig. So, sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, ayan na, nabanggit ko na yata yung Jing Tarot Reader. Magaling din siyang tarot reader guys. Pwede nyo siyang i-subscribe din sa kanyang YouTube. And pwede nyo siyang puntahan. Calamba, Laguna guys. Pwede nyo siyang dayuhin. Nagagamot din po sila mag-asawa. Isang shuffle na lang. Libra, sana makuha ko yung energy mo. Okay, I feel good. Take only what resonates. For Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Okay, you do have here the 7 of Coins. 5 of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Bottom of the deck is the Sun. Okay. Ito nakakita tayo dito ng I feel like there's struggle na nagaganap with regards to your money, financial problem. I can see, yung iba pwedeng may pag-aaway. Kung hindi man, medyo nagiging hard lang talaga para sa'yo. Especially if may mga nangyari in the past, like may mga nawalang pera, may mga some of you nanakaw, yung iba naman maybe may malaking ginastosan. So nakita tayo na pag-i-struggle dito, lalo na with the 7 of Coins. Yung iba nagkakaroon ng problem with tax or issues regarding things, regarding possessions, regarding maybe a house, a home, or a business. So nakakita tayo ng ganyan. Hindi siya nagiging matibay sa ngayon. And ever since na I feel like ever since yung iba no, yung simula pa lang noong na-establish siya, if this is a business, or maybe if someone here na bumili ng bahay or nag-start ng negosyo, maybe ever since that time, nagkakaroon na talaga ng cycle or paulit-ulit na pangyayari na parang lagi ka nagsisimula ulit, lagi nagkakaroon ng problema. And but you do have your design, you're remaining positive. I really do like your energy kasi nananatili kang positibo even though na nagkakaroon ng problem with regards to that. And maybe the problem is hindi sa'yo, hindi ikaw. Kasi the way I see this, maybe with regards to the people na nakaka-connect mo or nakakasama mo dyan. If it is regarding money na naipon, na wala, maybe kasi the devil. So, sinubok ka eh. May dumating sa buhay mo na scam ka, naloko ka, o yan. Yan yung devil. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maybe nagkaroon ng problem with regards to your business kasi maybe may kasama ka dyan, maybe a business partner or mga trabahador, empleyado na parang hindi sila nag-aakma or hindi sila nagiging okay sa'yo. Like, you are the sun. You have everything, the skills, you are, maraming na-attract sa'yo, they need you, they want you. And then, meron ka talaga nakakasama na, oo, pag ikaw maganda tingin nila sa'yo, but yung mga nakakasama mo hindi. So, may problem doon. And, sa home naman, maybe may kasama ka sa bahay or kung sinong kapartner mo dyan sa bahay na yan ang nagiging problem with regards to home. Kaya, pagdating sa money mo naapektuhan. So, nakakita tayo ng ganun. Anyway, pagdating sa love, who is this person that you're dealing with? This is regarding love, guys. Yan, nakafocus tayo sa love ngayon. Okay, regarding your love, you do have here the Ace of Pentacles and the Five of Coins. This is, I don't know kung karelasyon mo na ba to, or there's a relationship, or kung hindi man ngayon, maybe in the past. Some of you, this is a new person or during, nandyan pa rin, ano? But take only what resonates. Anyway, pag natitigilan ako, sorry na lang po. Umiinom lang po akong tubig. Okay. So, I don't know about you guys, kasi I feel like, itong taong to, pwedeng nagbibigay siya sa'yo ng money or may mga nabibigay siya sa'yo. Pero mas malaki yung nakukuha niya. Parang ganon. May nagbibigay siya sa'yo ng konti, maybe konting love, konting focus sa'yo, konting whatever you need. Maybe sexual thing. Pero mas malaki yung nakukuha niya sa'yo. With regards to money, maybe you're the one na mas nagbibigay sa kanya. Maybe you have to rethink about the connection, about this person. Kasi, although, you have a lot of opportunity pagdating sa sarili mo. Pero pag isinama mo na siya, or may, joint thing na nangyayari sa inyo, like joint finances, joint thing na may kinalaman sa pera, loans, maybe even taxes, properties, etc. Maybe you are in a relationship with the person. Nabanggit ko na sa inyo, the devil is here. Maybe you are dealing with the devil. You are dealing with the person na kasi nakitaan ka niya ng stability Kaya siya nasa'yo. Diba? But if you're not stable during that time or you don't have enough money, hindi siya ganyan na mag-e-effort sa'yo. I can see a person who begins to show attraction and consider niya yung having a relationship with you kasi mautak siya, matalino siya Alam niya that you are unique. Alam niya that you are independent, that you are okay na ka-partner, and you are maybe mabait. So alam niyang kaya kanyang mahawakan or malaro sa kamay niya. Kaya kanyang kayan-kayanin, parang ganun. And i-manipulate. Alam mo guys, kasi yung manipulator, when I say pagmamanipulate, hindi lang siya pag sinabing manipulate, kailangan sinasaktan ka. Yung manipulation kasi can also be used or can also happen na words ang ginagawang pang manipulate. Alam mo yon, yung parang magpapakita ng pagmamahal or maybe magiging sweet, and with regards to sex, pwedeng ipapakita niya yung best of the best, sabihin na natin ganun, para mapasunod ka niya na after that may ipoprovide or may maibibigay ka sa kanya, maybe money. Syempre ikaw naman, you want to surprise this person dahil minamahal ka niya, etc. You will give this person good reputation and money, and pwedeng ganun. But it could be anything. Take only what resonates. So, kuha pa tayo ng emotions. Ano yung emotion mo for this person? You do have here the Page of Coins. And the Six of Swords. Eight of Cups is here. Nakaamoy ako guys ng salon pass. Or yung menthol. This could be a reading. Maybe while you're watching, may ganun ka or nagpapahid ka ng kung ano-ano. Or something to do with yung menthol na sinisinghot. Inom lang ako guys. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Swords. Okay. Emotions. Well, the Wheel of Fortune, mas nakikita ko dito yung snake, ahas. So, your person is not being truthful to you. Hindi siya nagiging honest. This person is, nakita tayo ng obsessive behavior sa kanya. Obsess and tamad na energy. There's a lazy energy. It might feel like or maaring may paramdam niya sa iyo or makita mo sa kanya na hindi siya ang problema dito, but definitely siya yung problema dito kasi may mga bagay siyang pinababayaan, maybe opportunity, maybe pinababayaan niya yung magbibigay sa kanya ng stability, etc. This person, or maybe with regards to relationship or pakikipag-connect sa'yo, nakikita niya kasi yung worth mo yung halaga mo. So, this person, mahal ka niya kasi nakikita niya yung future niya na okay with you while you are there. Nakikita niya, responsable kang tao. Alam ko in the future magiging okay ang buhay ko. Magiging okay ako. May development sa akin. The Nine of Coins, yeah. This person gusto niya makinabang sa success na meron ka. Emotion mo para sa kanya, I feel like you are somehow using this person. Honestly, hindi ko nakikitang ginagamit mo utak mo. No? You gave everything already and you are still willing to give what you can give sa person na ito because nabola ka na niya na manipula ka na niya through his or her words, 'di ba? And honestly, you have to avoid this person, but I don't feel like you're doing that. Hindi ko nakikita ginagawa mo 'yan. Some of you, lalo na kung nag-stay ka sa relationship or sa connection kasi tinatry mong mag-move on sa iba. Maybe with regards to your past, traumas in the past, or relationship in the past. For some of you, pwedeng in the past, yung mga dating relationship mo, sinaktan ka, niloko ka, tapos ngayon parang kaya ka nag-stay sa taong to kasi siya nagpapakita sa'yo na hindi ka niya niloloko, etc. Of course, hindi ka niya lolokohin, but kasi nakikinabang siya sa'yo. Pwedeng ganun. And maybe or maybe you are using this person na makalimutan yung taong mahal mo, pwedeng ganun. Especially this reading is for you, especially kung kayo or may relationship kayo, pero iba yung nasa isip mo, pero iniisip mo, hindi, kailangan ko magstay sa person na to kasi siya yung mas nagbibigay ng pagmamahal sa akin, parang ganun. Or binabago niya yung lungkot na nararamdaman ko. So, hindi mo rin siya ganun kamahal. I don't feel any love in between the two of you, but rather, nakikita natin na ginagamit ninyo ang isa't isa. I'm sorry. But you really have to hear this. Kailangan mo itong marinig. Diba? Kasi ikaw naman nagpapagamit ka naman talaga. I mean, you have to be honest to yourself. Niloloko mo lang yung sarili mo na mahal mo siya, or nagmamahalan kayo, may partnership sa inyo kasi okay. Pero hindi nagpapakinabangan kayo sa isa't isa. May pakinabang ka rin naman sa kanya, may pakinabang din siya sa'yo. Okay? And maybe some of you, especially if there's children na involved, medyo nagiging difficult or nagiging mahirap. The Ten of Swords is here, like, there are a lot of times na nagkaroon na ng supposed to be ending sa inyong dalawa, pero mas pinrioritize nyo na lang yung mga dapat nyong i-priority, and nagkaroon ng pag-aalinlangan because of commitments, and negative, no, na pwedeng mangyari. So, mas nag-focus doon. So, what will happen in the future for you, for the both of you? You do have the Six of Coins, the Sun. Gusto ko talaga energy mo. You are a very positive person. You are remaining positive. Guys. Page of Cup. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. This is really beautiful. Wala pa rin pagbabago. Guys, wala pa rin pagbabago sa taong to. Wala pa rin pagbabago sa taong to. Wait lang po. Okay. Alam mo yung kasabihan na you can't have everything in life. Diba? Parang nagiging applicable yun doon sa buhay mo, no? Sabihin na natin, okay, maganda ka, may pera, pero pagdating sa love, medyo, alam mo yun. But of course, may choice ka naman and you can still, change your future. Kasi itong person na to, honestly, walang pagbabago, no? The devil, laging lumalabas to. And, explain ko sa'yo, this is the Hanged Man. As you can see, dito sa picture na to, yung Hanged Man is nakatali siya sa dila. Yung dila niya yung pinaka-rope or ginamit dito sa picture na ito na I don't know if you can see it clearly. Ayan, yung dila niya yung pinaka-ginamit na na tali. So, ibig sabihin, itong taong to, naka-stay to sa'yo hanggat na mamanipula ka niya. In the future, naka-stuck siya sa'yo or nandyan pa rin siya sa'yo hanggat na mamanipula ka niya. Magaling siyang mag-manipulate, magaling siyang magsalita, madali ka niya mapaniwala, and nauuto ka niya. And in the future, still, nandun pa rin yan. The Three of Wands is here, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, this person is, there's a lot of dreams, but I don't feel like any actions here. Marami siyang gustong mangyari sa buhay niya, marami siyang, gustong ma-accomplish, marami siyang goals, pero para siyang lutang. Wala siyang actions or wala siyang, you're giving this person lahat. So, sinusubuan mo siya ng sinusubuan. So, paano siya? There's no partnership na nangyayari sa inyong dalawa. It's just you giving this person lahat ng kaya mong ibigay. Especially maybe financially, you're working hard, you're giving all your money, whatever, itong mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo to this person. So, pinapadali mo ang buhay niya. You are like mommy nitong person na to. Babae ka man or lalaki, doesn't matter. LGBTQIA+, welcome kayo dito. So, ayun. Dahil doon, nandyan lang siya. Inahayaan mo Inahayaan mo na nandyan lang siya, na naka-stuck siya sa'yo. And with regards to you, I can see a lot of money sa'yo. A lot of money is coming. A lot of, blessings. Kung ano yung mga nawala sa'yo, mababalik siya triple, 7 times. You have to manifest that. Positibo kang tao, especially if you are that person. Sinasabi ko, positibo kang tao, positibo kang mag-isip Talaga na-attract mo lahat ng positive sa'yo. 'Di ba? Hindi yan. Halimbawa, nagka-problema ka, hindi yan. Testing lang yan. Ano lang yan? Learnings lang yan na kailangan ko matutunan gato ganyan. Natuto na ako. And the next time, sige, yung learnings na natutunan ko in the past, hindi ko na siya mauulit. Hindi na siya mauulit sa akin dahil alam ko na. And I can see a lot of money. Kusa na siya pupunta sa'yo. Kusa na siya pupunta sa'yo. I don't know kung may isda ka ba or what. Especially if you do have that. Some of you, if you see that your fish is not happy, kailangan na siyang ilipat. Do that. Kailangan masaya yung mga alaga natin. Especially if it's a fish. Kasi, para ma-let go or matanggal yung mga negativity. And nakakita tayo, a lot of blessings is happening in your life. It will happen to your life. And you just have to manifest. You just have to, you know, remain positive. Pagdating dito sa person, ito wala akong ma-advise. I don't know. It feels like, you are concentrated kasi sa money. O sige, hingi na lang tayo ng advice din sa spirit guides. Pero para sa akin, wala akong ma-advise. Kasi ikaw na yan, buhay mo na yan, bahala ka dyan. Queen of Wands. Okay. Ito. Kaya wala akong ma-advise kasi may mga nag-advise na sa'yo dati pa eh. You have to listen to those advice. So, ano yung advice na sinabi sa'yo ng mga taong talagang nakakakilala, nagmamahal sa'yo? You have to listen to them. Sila yung mas nakakaalam. Okay? You have to change whatever you can change in your life. And, kami hanggang dito lang naman kami, laway lang. Kumbaga, kakausapin ka lang namin, ganyan. Ako, nagsasalita lang ako dito. Yung mga nag-a-advise sa'yo, magsasalita lang din sila. Pero ang gagawa pa rin yan, or changes sa buhay mo, ay ang gagawa pa rin ay ikaw. Okay? Lalo na kung nahihirapan ka na, this is you, 10 of Wands, you have all the responsibilities, obligasyon, responsibilidad. Hirap ka na eh. You have everything, oh. Pinipilit mong kayanin, pinipilit mo yung sarili mo, gawin mo 3, gawin mo 5. Kayanin lahat ng pinagsasabay mo na yan. Yung iba, itatanong bakit hindi pa rin ako yumayaman. Wait lang. Yung mga tao bang kasama mo ngayon, uma-align ba sila sa goal mo? Okay? Diba? You should also have to ask that. And you do have your 9 of Swords. Yeah. Nakikita tayo. 9 of Swords. So, tinutulugan mo yung problema. Or, tinutulugan mo yung mismong tao na nagiging dahilan ng problema. Hinahayaan mo lang. So, Queen of Wands, as you can see, the Queen of Wands, so parang naglilinis siya, cotton buds, umabot na dun sa kabilang tenga, diba? It's you. Diba? Kailangan mong makinig. Liwanagan mo yung tenga mo, yung utak mo regarding those advice na sinabi na sa'yo ng mga taong talagang naniniwala sa'yo. Nandyan para sa'yo. Okay, thank you for watching guys. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe. Pa-comment na lang sa baba. Kahit heart lang, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.